with name of Allah, the most gracious and the most mighty. I welcome all of you. And how are you? Today we will revise Chapter 5, Plants and Photosynthesis. We will try to cover the following topics. What is photosynthesis? What is the role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis? Starch test and how glucose is made. How is it used? Role of water in the absorption of minerals through roots. After the revision of the chapter, the students should be able to integrate and correlate the topics and understand easily the importance of plants, photosynthesis, starch test, formation of glucose, plants and minerals. Plants not only make our surroundings look attractive, but plants have a much more important role as a part of our food chain. Without plants, life is not possible. Plants are producers and they make their own food by photosynthesis. Photosynthesis takes place in the leaves of plants during the daytime. A network of veins spreads through the leaves. These veins are made up of xylem and phloem tubes which carry water into the leaf, and phloem tubes carry food away. There are small tiny holes in the leaf through which gases pass in and out of the leaf. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found in plants. Plants use chlorophyll and light to make food. People use chlorophyll as medicine. Common sources of chlorophyll used for medicine include alfalfa algae and silkworm droppings. Chlorophyll is used for bad breath and reducing colostomy odor. As a result of photosynthesis, glucose is formed. Some of it will be used immediately to produce energy, and the surplus will change into starch or oil and is stored in the roots, stems and seeds. When it is needed, it is changed back into sugar. Starch, an odorless, tasteless white substance occurring widely in plant tissue and obtained chiefly from cereals and potatoes. It is a polysaccharide which functions as a carbohydrate store and is an important constituent of the human diet. Some glucose will be changed into starch or oil and stored in roots, stems, seeds, and fruits. Starch is changed back into sugar when it is needed by plant. Some is joined up with minerals like nitrogen from the soil and make protein. Plants need protein for growth. Magnesium combines with glucose to make chlorophyll. Magnesium comes from the soil and is taken up with water by the roots.
Plants need water to absorb nutrients from the soil. Transpiration is the process by which water moves up the stem of a plant from root to leaf when water is lost from the plant due to evaporation occurring at the leaves.
Growing happy, healthy plants is not always easy. Plants need 13 different nutrients from the soil in order to fully develop. 6 of these nutrients are needed in large quantities. These 6 essential nutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, and calcium. Plants need to be fertilized because most soil does not provide the essential nutrients required for optimum growth. It took nutrients from the soil to build those plant tissues. By fertilizing your garden, you replenish lost nutrients and ensure that this year's plants have the food they need to flourish. In plants, mineral enters usually through the roots. Some mineral diffuse in between the cells. In contrast to water, some minerals are actively taken up by plant cells. During transport throughout a plant, minerals can exit xylem and enter cells that require them. Review the text of the video carefully and thoroughly. Complete the given worksheet. Practice the following general assessment questions. Thank you. And have a nice day.